This is the Treasure Island. Welcome to the Treasure Island, ladies and gents. We are here and we are live. Natakaranda ni sa Seven Seas. It's night time. Mga vloggers at mga media partners pumunta dito para sa Christmas tree lighting event. Nanto mga CDO vloggers na sila. Hi CDO vloggers. Hello. Yan. Kanina may nangyari sa doon sa may harapan ng Seven Seas. Ay! 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 So, kung gusto mo makabalo kung saan itabo ka kanina, watch this.
We are looking forward to greeting all the visitors coming from all over the Visayas and Mindanao to come and visit to Seven Seas. Our local talents actually designed the beautiful pirate themed Christmas tree that we have over here. A lot of creative talent, and that's why this is really the culmination of their hard work and their efforts to make this affair tonight successful. And that's why we continue to innovate here in the water park. We still lay claim to our being the biggest pirate themed park, themed water park in the Philippines.
So after that happened, so dinhidan mi sa ilang swashbuckler hut. Pumunta. Dito kami. And then we ate and we drank and we marry, and a surprise information para sa tanan nationwide. There's a surprise gift na bibigay sa inyo ng Seven Seas ngayong Disyembre. Kung ano yon, ito, tingnan nyo.
Alright, ahoy!
Ahoy!
Ahoy, louder!
Ahoy!
Alright, again, by the way, I'm Daryl Obeledon, the Marketing Supervisor of Seven Seas Water Park. Our 7 days of Christmas for this year's the free entry for kids below 4 feet, which is the first day, so all kids below 4 feet are for free. The second day, free entrance or admission for all senior citizens. And the third day, 10% off for all adults. The fourth day, just buy one pizza, get another pizza. And the fifth day, buy one salad and get another salad. And on the sixth day, just buy any shirt of Seven Seas, you will receive another one. And lastly, our main and surprise, which is the RFID wristband release. So our customer service manager, Mr. Adrian Caras. A round of applause, please.
The other reason why we invited you here is because we're going to be introducing our new product, which is the RFID wristbands. So basically, with this wristband, you're going to use it as a wallet. So your life around the park will be a lot easier. So we're going to show you a video on how it's going to work. basically how the wristband's going to work is you get a wristband from the entrance or any of our cashiers, and you just have to load it up, and that will serve as your wallet. So, you don't have to bring your wallet around. So you're going to buy our tickets online. With a minimum purchase of 1,800, you can scratch off the price by 500 pesos. And you can use this as many times as you want from the dates December 15 to 25.
So, it's a surprise Yuletide sale din sa Seven Seas. And, na si Sir Daryl. Hi, Sir!
Ahoy!
Invite them, ahoy, sa tanang mga Cagayan de Oro, North Mindanao, all over the Philippines.
Yes, come and visit now. Seven Seas, especially this holiday season. You will enjoy our exciting promos starting in December 19 to 25. So, hope to see you here, mates. Thank you.
Yan, thank you, Sir Daryl.
Thank you, Master Poopy.
Kita-kits gyapon in the next vlog. And don't forget to subscribe sa atong YouTube channel. Bye-bye.